Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our Molle Bag. These are so great because they allow you to organize your first aid and trauma products, and if you're anything like me, you want those products together and easily accessible when you need it, so you're only grabbing for one thing and not multiple items. This Molle Bag is a solution just for that. The bag perfectly holds not only our 92-piece compact first aid kit, it can also hold any one of our mini tacs from the A kit all the way to the E. And I know that the E is big, so I want to show you right here. I have it packaged all together. This is our E kit right here with our first aid kit right here in this great Molle. So let's take a look at the inside of this Molle Bag. You have some additional straps and pockets in here if you like to add more products such as a pair of shears or a CPR shield. In addition to your first aid and trauma kits, you have that ability. And let me show you how easy it is to put your items all together. So we have our 92-piece first aid kit right here. We're going to put right in here, and then we're going to grab one of our mini tacs. I'm going to grab our C. We're going to throw it in here and zip it all up. Super easy, very portable because it does keep everything together, and you have these convenient straps on the back that can unsnap, and you can throw this on a stroller, parents. You can throw it on a bike, or you can stow it in a vehicle's console or glove box. It can go anywhere you need it to go so that you can prepare for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray with your first aid kit and your favorite mini trauma aid kit. To learn more about this Molle and our first aid and trauma line, you can go to www.360lifesafety.com.